Design Challenge 2020. Who? Meet the members of our team. What? Introduce the prototype. Where? Where we were asked to solve the problem. When? How long our project took. Why? The reason for making our prototype. How we accomplished it. Number 1. Who? Logan ordered the parts for the prototype. Cassidy tested and collected the data and also made the presentation. Jose was the team leader. Johnny researched how the prototype was going to work. Number 2. What? We were asked a question, how can you solve mobility issues in Lake County? So we came back with an answer. Our prototype. We made a stop arm camera. Our prototype will be attached to the stop sign of a school bus to record and capture any license plates of any car that illegally passes the school bus. About the prototype. We bought a regular car dash camera, then we made sure it worked. The next step was purchasing a stop sign to attach to the camera. Finally, we made a hinge in order to connect the pieces together to safely attach the prototype to the side of the vehicle. Prototype description. The bus. This prototype is mainly focused on solving problems related to school bus safety in Lake County, but you can also use our project anywhere on any vehicle. The stop arm camera. This is attached to the side of the bus to capture the license plate of an oncoming vehicle who has illegally passed the school bus. Other vehicles. If a car is illegally passing the school bus, the license plate will be captured by the stop arm camera. Our goals. Creating a working prototype that can solve a mobility problem in Lake County. Successfully testing a prototype and making revisions. Finally, analyzing the prototype and presenting our ideas. Number 3. Where? Where our prototype could help people. Did you know that there are more than 400 deaths and 13,000 injuries because of school buses each year? Our prototype would not only help people in Lake County, but people all across the nation would be able to benefit from the stop arm camera. The stop arm camera could save lives. Our prototype could help prevent thousands of injuries and deaths each year in the United States alone. What are the benefits? Our product can benefit people in Lake County by having a safer environment for children and others. Death and injury rates will also decrease. Finally, this is a simple yet effective way to make a difference not only in Lake County but around the world. Number 4. When? Our timeline. Checkpoint 1. Context and research. Checkpoint 2. Prototyping. Checkpoint 3. Final design report. Checkpoint 4. Final presentation. Number 1. Context and research. Our empathy interview. We interviewed with multiple people that live in Lake County that were our age, and we found that some of them don't have their driver's license and need to ride the bus. Research and fact sheet. In this step, we started to research different ideas for our project. We finally decided on the subject of our project, but we needed to come up with a solution to the problem. Project proposal. In this step, we came up with the idea that we were going to make a stop arm camera to fix the pressing issue that school buses needed to be made safer. Finally, storyboarding. We then made a storyboard to explain how we came up with the idea for our prototype, and how we were going to make it, test it, and eventually present it to an audience. Number 2, prototyping. Making the prototype. We ordered the parts that we needed to begin to test our prototype. Group rubric. We set a guidelines and expectation for how we would know if our prototype was successful or not. Prototype and testing write-up. Here we explain the methods we used when testing the prototype. This also includes the results that we found. Lastly, we analyzed the data and graded the prototype. Number 3, final design report. Here we put it all together. As a group, we worked together to create our final design report. This included all of the data we collected from the testing as well as our research, works cited, and our reasoning for creating the prototype. Number 4, final presentation. Now you get to see what all of our hard work was for. Here is the last step to the puzzle. We were asked a simple question, how can you solve mobility problems in Lake County? And we are proud for you to hear our answer. Number 5, why? Our reason for creating Number 5. Our reason for creating this prototype. For safety. On a single school day, bus drivers reported 83,944 vehicles passed their stop paddles illegally. Personal connection. It is very important to me since I not only ride the bus, but I also have little siblings who ride, so it makes it a top priority for school bus safety. Help improve mobility. Our prototype would help mobility not only in Lake County, but all around the world. Core values. Number 1, safety. Our goal is to increase safety for the children boarding the school bus. Law. To increase law enforcement and to be able to identify violators. This is an affordable solution to increase safety for our schools. Easy to use. Our product is designed to be user-friendly and easily accessed. Comfort. We hope our product will help parents feel more secure for their children on the bus. Number 6. How? Methods for creating the stop arm camera. Number 6. Methods for creating the stop arm camera. This includes testing the video quality, accessibility, durability, ease of handling, and affordability. The setup for this prototype was very simple and self-explanatory. The testing of the prototype consisted of 10 trials for each scenario/possible solution. The trials included daytime, nighttime, and unideal weather conditions such as rain. This was to see how visible the license plate of the passing car is during different weather conditions. Here are the testing results. For unideal weather conditions, our success rate was 70%. For nighttime, our success rate was 80%, and for daytime, our success rate was 100%. What we were testing for. Video quality. We wanted to make sure that the video quality was good enough to clearly see the license plate of an illegal passing car. We rated this at a 7.5. For durability, we wanted to make sure our prototype was durable enough to withstand all sorts of weather conditions. We rated this a 7.5. Affordability. This entire project cost $35. We rated this a 10. For ease of handling, the prototype was very user-friendly, so the only thing the driver needs to worry about is the road. We rated this a 10. Accessibility. We were able to obtain all the materials and tools we needed easily online, so we also rated this a 10. How the stop arm camera works. Step 1, obtain the camera. Step 2, put the pieces together. Step 3, attach the stop arm portion to the bus. Step 4, turn the camera on. And finally, Step 5, take out the SD card to view the film. Then what? When a car illegally passes the school bus, the stop arm camera will detect the license plate and will then be saved on the SD card. The bus driver can then look back on the footage and see the license plate and alert the school authority or the bus garage to inform the sheriff's department of the violation. Number 7. Conclusion. How was all of this accomplished? As a team, we accomplished our prototype by coming up with this current presentation for others to see and letting people know how the stop arm camera can make our future more successful and safe. This was also accomplished to inform others how important it is to help keep children safe and to decrease the number of deaths and injuries happening everywhere. Lastly, this also accomplished showing the testing and how the stop arm camera works. Final thoughts. It has taken a lot of hard work to turn a simple question into an idea, then physically developing it into a working prototype. Now, we know this prototype still has a long way to go, but it is definitely a step in the right direction in order to help not only improving mobility in Lake County, but also saving lives all around the world. If you have any suggestions or would like to help in any way, please contact us. We would love to hear from you. Thank you.